Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Last time we started a discussion on what is linguistics and what is introduction to linguistics. We started our discussion with, let's say, a broad discussion on what is language basically, and what we can consider language, or in which cases we can consider a piece of or let's say a combination of some words as a language or not. And we discussed the difference between two examples, and the discussion about the difference and similarity between the two sentences. As you see here, all teenagers need to sleep at least 7 hours a day. And I was the man with the telescope. We said that we have more than one level of analysis here. We can consider the structure and the words, or the constituent words of the two sentences, and also we can go beyond the structure level to consider the meaning level. And the discussion was about the difference between the two sentences in terms of semantic ambiguity, in which the first sentence was so clear to the reader, but the second one, it leads to a kind of semantic ambiguity because of the scope ambiguity that is mentioned here in the sentence, which was caused by the structure of the sentence, also using the preposition with. And then we move to discuss or talk about what is linguistics. And we said that linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure. When we say a scientific study, يعني we follow approaches and we test hypotheses. احنا بنتبع طرائق وبنختبر فرضيات على هذه اللغة, so that we can call it as a scientific study, scientific analysis. So that in linguistics, when we study linguistic aspects of the language, we try to understand how language are formed and how languages are used, and how languages evolve over time. So again, linguistics examines the roles and patterns that govern humans produce, and how humans produce, interpret or understand, and also then communicate meaning through language. Then we move to discuss the branches of the linguistic study. We started with phonetics, phonology, morphology, and we stopped, I think, with syntax, and then we moved to semantics and pragmatics. So again, just in brief and in short, phonetics is the study of speech sounds and how they are produced and perceived. White phonology, we said that how these sounds function within a particular language. If you remember the example regarding the P sound, in which in phonetics it has some, let's say, features called manner feature and articulatory features. And then we discuss it within an example, in a combination, a sound combination, and which comes here in this stage, the phonological analysis, and how P can may turn to be B in some phonological environment.